hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to check out our latest videos before anyone else. Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between Redmi Note 5 and Infinix Hot S3. Infinix Hot S3 sports a Snapdragon 430 processor with Adreno 505 GPU. Base variant starts at 9,000 rupees and that's the one I'm using in the video with 3GB of RAM. Redmi Note 5 sports a Snapdragon 625 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. Base variant starts at 10,000 rupees for the 3GB RAM variant and I'm using the next variant with 4GB of RAM. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores of both the phones. Now let's start the solo speed test where I open these 16 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. So guys, Redmi Note 5 was 19 seconds faster than the Infinix Hot S3. Now let's see how they perform side by side. Now I'll start the regular speed test where I open the same set of apps on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is when compared to the other phone. So guys, in the speed test, it's almost a tie. Redmi Note 5 definitely has a better processor, but as you have seen, for most of the apps, especially the system apps, S3 was faster. With some software optimization, Note 5 might perform much better. Now let's see which of these apps are still in memory. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Even 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory if the phone has good memory management. Memory management is good on both the phones. Even though Infinix had just 3GB of RAM, it kept 9 big applications in memory, which is really a good thing. It could have done better, but this is manageable too. So it's a tie in the speed test and memory management round. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video. If you are planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.